Where's the cat?
Oh my god, she looks so much like me from the side when I was little.
Can you find a cat? That's right. That's a cat. A cat says. That's a frog.
Who's that? Wibbit. Who says Wibbit? Wibbit.
Frog.
A pig says. That's a cow.
Who's that?
Good girl. E-I-E-I-O.
On his farm he had a chick. E-I-O.
With a chick, chick here, and a chick, chick there. Here, chick.
There, Kira, Vera, everywhere.
Chick, chick.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
A duck says.
Who says that?
That's a cow.
Come on,
She
baby.
can't get up there fast enough. Aww. Another toy.
Oh, so pretty.
Who's that? So pretty.
You're so pretty. I said that to her
Stuck.
today. You're so pretty. No way. No way.
Uh-oh. Oh. Elmo.
Fallon, what's the frog say? What's the frog say, Fallon?
Yay.
Who's this one? Who am I?
What's her name?
What's her name? What's her name? She thinks it's real.
Mandy. Yay! Good girl.
What color is Elmo? What color is Elmo? What?
Wed.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Elmo.
Emo.
Elmo.
Emo.
Yeah.
Wibbit. Kills me.
Uh-oh. Who's that? Who's that?
I think he's dead.
That's a beer. No, that's a puppy.
He doesn't work anymore.
He's
Who's that?
He's sleeping. Sleeping.
He smells you.
The donut.
This is no more fun for you.
They're too big for that.
What's the frog say?
What's
Her
that?
fake laugh.
What's that? Is that a blanket? Oh, for the baby?
Can you say yo ho yo ho? Fallon?
Oh, ball.